Welcome to my channel. Linksys RE7000 not working? Try this reset method.
1. Keep it plugged in. Make sure the extender is plugged into a working outlet and the power light is on. 2. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the side or bottom of your extender.
3. Use a pin or paper clip. Grab something thin like a paper clip to press the button.
4. Press and hold. Hold down the reset button for about 10 seconds until the light starts blinking.
5. Wait for reboot. Let the extender reboot fully, it may take a couple of minutes.
6. Check the lights. When the power light turns solid again, the reset is complete. 7. Connect to default Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, look for the default Linksys Wi-Fi name printed on the label.
8. Open a browser, type extender.linksys.com or the default IP in the address bar.
9. Start Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen setup steps to reconnect the extender to your home router.
10. Enter router password. Type in your main Wi-Fi password so the extender can link to it. 11. Choose network name. Decide whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name or create a separate one for the extender.
12. Save and test. Apply the changes, then reconnect your device and check if the internet is stable. And that's it, you've reset and reconfigured your Linksys RE7000, and it should be back to working normally.
Thanks for watching.